Figure skating, magic, they know no language. It is an international language. Here is Kazuki TOMONO. And I have no idea what Rob is going to do with you. Go ahead.
We're going to do another card trick. Yay!
Okay, yay.
Another card trick. All right, so a little bit of a language barrier here. We're going to try to be as visual as possible here with the card tricks in a second. There we go. Good?
Yeah, okay.
Good. Kazuki, okay. We're going to use your hands for this card trick. If I could see your hand there. Yes, perfect. Your other hand like this. Perfect. No X's, no drawing this time, just visuals. Now, perfect, great. And Rusty, you're going to be the eyes of the audience because they're not going to trust me at this point. I have the 2 of spades here, 2.
Yes.
I'm going to hand that, yes, thank you for verifying, thank you. And I'm going to put that there. We're going to put this here. Magicians have fast hands. They say a magician can probably take that away if he wanted to. Wouldn't you agree there?
Probably.
Yes, you could. I've got the 8 of hearts, the 8. We're going to take the 8. And I just want you to tell me if you see this, Rusty. Do you see that?
Uh-huh.
Did you see that?
Uh-huh.
Did you see that?
Ah!
Look in your, look. Ah! Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Kazuki TOMONO. Las Vegas illusionist Rob Anderson.
Thank you. Thank
Rob,
you.
where can we find you?
They can find me at It's Rob Anderson on Instagram. At It's Rob Anderson.
At It's Rob Anderson. One more time, Rob Anderson, everybody. I hope he can focus well enough to skate right now. His mind was blown. Put your hands together. Kazuki TOMONO.